Good morning, students. How are you all? Today we will learn Unit 7, The Brave Little Kite. See Activity 1. Look at the pictures and answer the questions given below. Now see the first picture. What you can see. All four pictures you have to see. Aeroplane, balloons. Then what is the third? Bird and kite. So there are four pictures. What is common there? See here. All the four can fly in the sky. Now classify the man-made thing and natural thing. Airplane, balloon and kite are man-made thing. Bird is a natural thing. Activity 2. See the picture. First is bungee jumping, then parachute jumping, then paragliding, and the fourth is rope walking. Write this in your textbook. Activity 3. The brave little kite. I never can do it, the little kite said, as he looked at the others high over his head. I know I should fall if I tried to fly. Try, said the big kite, only try, or I fear you never will learn at all. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. The big kite nodded. Ah, well, goodbye. I am off. And he rose towards the tranquil sky. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the sight, and trembling, he shook himself free for flight. In the first stanza, the kite says, I never can do it, as he looked at the others high over his head. So, the kite saw others in the sky and it said, I can never fly. In the second stanza, it says, I know I should fall if I tried to fly. So, kite ने क्या कहा? If I try, I will fall. Try, said the big kite, only try. So the big kite said something. What it said? Try, मतलब try करो, you can fly. Or I fear you never will learn at all. वो big kite ने क्या बोला? If you will not try, you will not learn to fly. But the little kite said, I am afraid I will fall. So small kite said, मुझे डर लग रहा है मैं गिर जाऊंगी. The big kite nodded. Ah, well, goodbye. So the big kite ने ओके कह के goodbye बोल दिया. I am off. मैं जा रही हूँ. And he rose towards the tranquil sky. और वो tranquil means peaceful sky में that big kite went. Then the little kite's paper stirred at the sight, and trembling he shook himself free for flight. So now the small kite tries to move in the sky, but he is shaking. First whirling and frightened, then braver grown. Up he rose through the air alone, till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. So here first that small kite whirling and frightened, it goes in circular motion. Then it becomes big and start flying alone till the big kite looking down could see the little one rising steadily. So small kite is rising steadily. Then how the little kite thrilled with pride. Now small kite fills with pride. उसमें self respect आ जाती है. As he sailed with the big kite side by side. Now the kite is going with the big kite side by side. While far below he could see the ground. Now it can see the ground, and the boys like small spots moving round. Now it can see the boys like small spots. They rested high in the quiet air. Now they are resting in the air, and only the birds and clouds were there. What is there with the kite? Only the birds and clouds. Oh, how happy I am, the little kite cried. So now it is very happy, and all because I was brave and tried. So what the kite said? Okay, I tried to become brave and I tried, so I'm very happy. You also have to become brave like the little kite. So, what did you learn in this poem? Yes, there is a small kite. The kite is frightened to fly, but the big kite tells him to try and try. If the kite doesn't try, it will not learn. So, what did you learn here? Try if you find something hard. If you try, you will learn the new things. Keywords: tranquil means peaceful, मतलब शांत. Stirred, moved. Trembling, shaking. Whirling, circular motion. Steady, smoothly. Pride means a feeling of self respect.